Hi, my loves. Today we're here in this waterfall. It's in Ubud, north of Ubud. If you come to Bali, I will welcome you here and I show you all the secret spots here. But in this video, I will share with you one mindfulness practice that will ground you, that will help you to relieve stress, to say bye to anxiety, and to feel the center connected to your higher self. So sit comfortably. I will sit on the stone here, maybe like that, and I will guide this meditation for you, or maybe here. So, breathe in and breathe out. Hear this nice sound of waterfall in the background. Feel the relaxing waves of breath that you are having right now. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Just feel the vibes of the nature. Feel how the nature embraces your body. The nature loves you. The nature gives you the quiet and nice natural place, abundant place of love to start this meditation. Ah, this will take like 5 to 10 minutes, not more. So you can just put your phone to airplane mode, downloading this meditation or saving it and deleting all the distractions from the background, sitting in the quiet place. And now, with your eyes closed, imagine your contours of your body, like you have a pencil and you are drawing with this pencil the boundaries of your body, where those boundaries are. Imagine this as you inhaling and exhaling. Ah, and this meditation will be about I am state. You will feel grounding and peace. So just breathing slowly, like 1, 2, 3, 4 for the inhale, and 1, 2, 3, 4 for the exhale. Feel the healing vibes that I'm transferring you from the universe, from the nature, channeling from the source to you right now. And begin to repeat on the inhalation. You can do it just without any voice, just inside of your head. I am. On the inhalation, I am. And on the exhalation, here and now. Inhale, I am. Exhale, here and now. Inhale, I am. Exhale, here and now. Repeat this phrases in your or in your head, these words. I am. Exhale here and now. Repeat more in a flow without any instructions made, just 30 seconds of you repeating this for yourself in a silence. I am here and now. You are here and now with me, maybe on another side of the planet, but on your chair or on your sofa, in your room. Imagine you are sitting on your chair in your room, in your apartment or your house. Imagine going upper from your body, flying above, seeing you sitting in your apartment, in your house, on your street, in your city, more up and up, in your country, in your continent. You see the whole continent. And then you see whole planet, and you feel that you are a small person sitting down somewhere there, but looking from the clouds to the earth, feeling that you are there on earth, sitting and meditating. You are the one with the earth, with all the people on earth. And take to consideration one thought for today's meditation, that we are all one, and you can see all other people sitting in their houses there on earth. If you see from above, you see 7 or 8 billion of people right now in their houses doing something, working, sleeping, waking up, giving birth, or dying, or doing all the activities people do, and it's all okay, all normal, all that is joining us, all those activities. We are all making them. That's we have in common, And imagine that we are the one. We are here and now, the pure consciousness that is the one connecting us, collective consciousness that is above, like like clouds that are around the sky, around the earth. Like imagine this is a collective consciousness we all have, and I have goosebumps right now saying this to you, that we are all one. And the one thought that I want you to keep in your heart and in your mind after we finish, that we are all one. And if I hurt someone on this earth, if I do something bad or evil to another person, I will do it for myself. because we're all one consciousness. We are oneness. And yeah, that's why I don't want to do anything bad for anyone. I don't want to hurt anyone. And even when I think something bad, criticizing the other, or saying bad words, or behaving badly to other person, I will take it back to myself and I will ground it to the earth to digest it. I don't want to poison the other person with my anger. I just digest it very nicely through the mindfulness practices I know, and digest it help with the help of nature, with the help of mindfulness that I have, with my higher self, my teachers, and my own soul connected to the universe. Inhale and exhale. And from this point, I can go back with this mindset, with this thought. I can go back to my body, sitting here on the chair in my apartment, or like I'm now on the stone and near this waterfall, because I was traveling with you there right now with my eyes closed. And now you can hear the waterfall again. You can hear all the other noises you have in your apartment or your house. And you can slowly come back, feeling your body and feeling the boundaries of your body again, like a pencil drawing around your body, like you are here and you are right now in this body. Your soul, this consciousness is in this body and it exists here and now. And go back to this body, feel it, appreciate it, work with it, heal with it, love with it, and be grateful with it. You can slowly open your eyes and come back here, and slowly you can start your day, or you can go back to sleep maybe if you're meditating before the bed, or you can go and be recharged for the 24 hours. I hope you're in good health, in wealth, in love, with yourself, with other people, with the universe, with your path of the soul. And if you need any support, or if you have any struggle with mindfulness, with meditation, with connecting to your body, send me a message. I can give you advice or free help. I can give you access to my community, mindfulness community, for free. And if you want to join our mindfulness club, we have weekly sessions with mindfulness methods we are learning each week. I'm teaching people how to behave in stressful situations, how to ground yourself, how to solve difficult problems, how to heal your heart, your body, your soul, and your mind. And I can give you access for 1 week, guest access in our mindfulness club, and I will see you there. Much love. I wanted to say, yeah, much love to you. This is a heart I'm sending to you from Bali. And I will go and continue my meditation here. Usually I meditate like 30, 40 minutes, and then I need to go. And I will say you bye for now. If you need any other practices, you can see them there. I will put the link here for mindfulness practices, for meditations, or if you want to more yoga, it's here. And if you want to see my lifestyle, you can join my general channel about my life in Bali, about entrepreneur's life, mindful entrepreneur's life. And thank you for connecting to me through this video and to my energy. Thank you for letting me guide you and transfer the healing energy from this beautiful natural place in Bali. Bye.